אנחנו בנשיונל ג'אוגרפיק, ופה כל חודש אנחנו עוקבים אחרי חלק מהסדרה, דברים נסתרים מהעין, והפעם אנחנו מדברים על דברים מהירים שאפילו העין לא רואה. שוף.
In a remarkable laboratory at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, time and motion are dramatically dissected. With the aid of a pulsating strobe light, Dr. Harold Edgerton can freeze a flurry of movement onto a single plate of film. Dr. Edgerton developed the strobe light in 1931. Unable to see how electric motors behaved when they rotated at various speeds, he designed a light which could flash so quickly and brightly that motion seemed to stop. A world expert on high-speed photography, Edgerton delights in demonstrating the amazing power of camera and light.
Now, we're going to do an experiment here to take a picture of a bullet, a very high-velocity bullet, as it cuts this playing card in two. The playing card will be attached to this tape. The bullet will come out of the gun at 2,800 feet per second. If we aim it correctly, it'll cut through the card. And we want to turn on a light, a very special strobe light that lasts less than a millionth of a second in order to stop the bullet effectively on the film, make a sharp, clear photograph.
The sound of the bullet will trigger the strobe light, which creates an image on film. A first shot will test Dr. Edgerton's aim.
Here we go.
Now, the event as the strobe light reveals it. Less than a millionth of a second is permanently frozen in time. Another striking example of the strobe's revealing power is what Edgerton calls making applesauce. Perhaps the most dramatic of Dr. Edgerton's visual techniques combines the powerful strobe light with a high-speed motion picture camera.
Ready to go? All set? 3, 2, 1, shoot!
Stretching events thousands of times reveals invisible detail that can be seen and studied in no other way. The explosion of a firecracker, now slowed down 1,200 times. Examine the plop of a milk drop 200 times slower than usual. And it becomes a magical vision of hydrodynamic behavior.
Yeah.